Hey, Kayleen from Playfessional. I'm finishing off a couple of illustrations today. Some bears. I'm drawing some bears for a picture book called I'm Shining with Gentleness. And the bears are very cute, and the process takes a bit of a time, but so I won't show you the whole drawing process, but I'll give you a good look at how I finish these drawings, and then I'll fast forward to the end and you can see the final result. So have a great day, and I hope you enjoy watching me draw. The series have all a particular star character or light character. They look like stars. This one's a bit more florally and feminine looking, but basically the light represents the inside us, you know, the different characters, whether it be love, peace, joy, faithfulness, gentleness, all those things. And this is the gentleness light, and this will be in the tummy of the bears that are being gentle. Don't know if you can see that. I've started. That's Stella Bear, and I'm just going to move on to this one first and colouring them in. Well, not colour them in, but do the line work. So I thought I'd just share it while I'm here, while I'm sitting here. I'll jump on during the week and do some furniture, a live furniture demo or something. But the weekend is all about drawing for me. This morning I went to church and did my church notes, which is sitting there in my sketchbook. And I've done it in pencil, and I'm going to ink it later. So I'll share that with you later when it's very quiet. Well, not actually, I'm not going to do tonight's because I want to listen to the recording at the same time of the message, so I'll probably do last week's. So I'm just doing these bears at the moment. He's got a fluffy hat on, a winter hat. And he's singing. So I don't have a lot of exciting things to say. I'm just sharing the drawing. If you've got nothing else to do, you just want to watch somebody else work, go for it. You can let me know how you're going today. Now I've got to do this light, this star in his belly, and it looks like that. So oh, I made a mistake. It's not good. There's a lot of fur involved in this. So this is the final illustration of the two bears, ready to be scanned into the computer, which I'll hand paint it on the computer once it's all cleaned up. And I have changed the little light in his tummy so he mimics what he's doing. So they're both singing and he's being very gentle, sitting there watching. And if you'd like to see the books or purchase the books, there's the first 6 in the series available from my website www.kayleenwest.com.au or from kidslightedup.com.au. Thanks for watching.